Today we shall discuss about the biodegradable polymers. Actually, polymers which are very usual in our life, synthetic polymers from petroleum chemicals. So all these synthetic polymers are non-degradable, which create lot of pollution problem. So therefore there is a much importance of such type of the polymer. These biodegradable polymers, those polymers which can be broken into simple component part either by bacteria such as Inter alia, it is a bacteria, or Bacillus, it is a bacteria, or fungi such as Candida, it is the fungi, Penicillium, it is the fungi. So with the help of either bacteria or fungi, the polymer is degraded into simple molecule. And these bacteria and fungi cannot degrade plastic, which are prepared by petrochemicals. So therefore, those polymers which can be degraded or break into simple component, they are by bacterial action or by the fungi, they are called as biodegradable polymers. Actually, in our life, we know so many types of the polymer which are biodegradable, such as starch, protein, cellulose, silk फाइबर जिसे हम खुद कीड़ों के द्वारा जो पैदा किया जाता है वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल है. तो इन दिस वे all biodegradable polymers can be classified in two parts. One is the natural biodegradable polymer. Natural biodegradable polymers such as starch. You know, starch is the polymeric form of the glucose. Biodegradable polymer cellulose. Cellulose is also polymer, प्लांट में पाया जाता है. एग्रीकल्चर के जितने भी हमारे प्लांट्स हैं या ट्रीज हैं उनके अंदर सेल्यूलोज पाया जाता है. तो सेल्यूलोज इज आल्सो बायोडिग्रेडेबल. प्रोटीन बायोडिग्रेडेबल है. न्यूक्लिक एसिड, एवरीबडी नो न्यूक्लिक एसिड, RNA, DNA. So these are the natural biodegradable polymers. But commercial importance of such type of the polymer is not very useful. So such type of the natural biodegradable polymers are not commercially used. So there are Another type of the biodegradable polymers on which today requirement is to have such type of the polymer that is called as synthetic biodegradable polymer. Synthetic biodegradable polymer. So I shall discuss only 2-3 synthetic biodegradable polymers uh, because you will get a 5 marks question in your university examination. So let us see, this is the PLA. PLA, short form PLA, polylactic acid. Polylactic acid. This is the polylactic acid. See, lactic acid का polymerization होगा. We shall discuss. So PLA is the polylactic acid. It is very much used in many aspects. PHB, polyhydroxybutyrate. Polyhydroxybutyrate. This is polyhydroxybutyl valerate. Polyhydroxybutyl valerate. So all these are the synthetic biodegradable polymers. One thing you have to understand about the biodegradable polymers, these polymers are biodegradable only because of the ester group. Ester group is very sensitive for the action of either bacteria or action of the fungi. And you must also understand that biodegradation may be aerobic or anaerobic. हवा की उपस्थिति में भी हो सकता है, हवा की अनुपस्थिति में भी हो सकता है, लेकिन जो प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं. वो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द बायोडिग्रेडेशन. So let us consider PLA, that is the polylactic acid. Now I show you what is the lactic acid. This is the lactic acid. Carbon C double, you can write here CH3 OH. Polylactic acid, this one polymer of the lactic acid. So what is lactic acid? OH, CH3, H hydrogen. This is the lactic acid. पॉलीमराइजेशन के लिए जरूरी है बाईफंक्शनलिटी. फंक्शनलिटी के बारे में मैंने आपसे बात किया था कि वो स्पेसी जो कम से कम 2 फंक्शनल साइट रखे, 2 फंक्शनल ग्रुप हों. Here you see there is a acid group, there is a hydroxyl group. So there are 2 sites. तो यहाँ भी इधर से भी पॉलीमराइजेशन होगा, इधर भी पॉलीमराइजेशन. So this is the lactic acid. When young molecules of the lactic acid polymerize, this is the homopolymerization. So this polylactic acid is a homopolymer. सभी जितने भी मोनोमर हैं सभी लैक्टिक एसिड है, और दिस लैक्टिक एसिड polymerize giving the polylactic acid. So you can say how polymerization takes place like this: COH, CH3, C double bond O, OH. This is the one molecule. Now This is another molecule. This is the CH3. OH. This is the hydrogen C double bond OH. So how polymerization take place? This hydrogen and this hydroxy combine together. Water is, so this is the condensation polymerization. You understand? This is the condensation polymerization. Condensation polymerization में वाटर निकल जाए, अल्कोहल निकल जाए, अमोनिया निकल जाए. So this is the condensation polymerization, and you will get like this. यहाँ से भी पॉलीमर चेन बनेगी, इसलिए यहाँ पर शॉर्ट में लिख दिया. दिस इज द CH3 C double bond O like this. Yeah. So this is the polylactic acid. So in this way we can prepare polylactic acid and it is biodegradable. Now come to the usage of polylactic acid. अभी आपको ये बता दिया कि हाउ PLA can be synthesized. It is a condensed polymer of the lactic acid. Here it is used as plastic cup. आप बहुत सारे डिस्पोजेबल ग्लास देखते हैं जिसमें कि हम पानी पीते हैं. तो जो प्लास्टिक सिंथेटिक प्लास्टिक हैं वो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल है, उनका इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए, प्रतिबंधित भी है. बट प्लास्टिक कप प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम PLA पॉलीलैक्टिक एसिड, इट इज डिग्रेडेबल. इसको आप फेंक दीजिए, ये 14 से 18 घंटे के अंदर ये डिग्रेड हो जाएगा, ये अपने कंस्टिट्यूएंट में चेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन यूज PLA टू मैन्युफैक्चर प्लास्टिक कप. वाटर बॉटल, आप देखते हैं कि हम पानी की बोतल खरीदते हैं मार्केट से. दैट बॉटल मस्ट बी ऑफ द PLA. PLA वाटर इनसॉल्युबल है, इसलिए इस बॉटल को प्रयोग करेंगे, आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो प्लास्टिक इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, प्लास्टिक, but it is not injurious to health. Therefore we should use PLA water bottle. और भी आपको बताएं, मेडिकल एप्लीकेशन बहुत है. मेडिकल एप्लीकेशन, आप टाका जानते हैं, टाका, घाव लग जाए, 2 चीज, स्किन कट गई, जोड़ दिया, सिलाई कर दिया, तो स्ट्रेचिंग में काम आता है. स्ट्रेचिंग कहीं जरूरत पड़ी बोन को जोड़ने के लिए, तो उसमें आप होल्ड करके पिन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज एज ए प्लास्टिक के स्क्रू प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम PLA, rod, plate, all these are synthetic materials prepared from PLA. So this is the very simple biodegradable polymer PLA used in such type of the requirement. Now there is another biodegradable polymer, that is the second PHB, polyhydroxy butyrate. polyhydroxybutyrate. So polyhydroxybutyrate So first of all, you have to know what is the polyhydroxybutyrate. Polyhydroxybutyrate OH, C, CH3, H, CH2, C, H, C double O H, hydroxy acid, it like this, C double bond O OH. 1, 2, 3, 4. In respect of this 1, 2, 3. So it is also known as 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Now this butanoic acid, it undergoes condensation polymerization, and after polymerization you will get O, C, H, CH3, CH2, CH, C double bond O, and like this. Sorry. Now here, see here, this is the 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. It gets polymerization under, it is the condensation polymerization. कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन माने ये कंडेंस होगा इसके मॉलिक्यूल, सपोज किया एन मॉलिक्यूल, फिर ये आपको बनेगा, इसका नाम है PHB, पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी butanate. So this is in short called as PHB. It is biodegradable. Now usage, इसके क्या एप्लीकेशन है? This is the PHB, polyhydroxy butanate. So this biodegradable polymer is mostly used for the packaging of food products. खाने की सामान को आप पैकेजिंग कर सकते हो. सेकेंड, एग्रीकल्चर मल्चिंग. आप देखते होंगे आजकल वीड्स को चेक करने के लिए मल्चिंग करते हैं. जहाँ भी हम पौधों को लगाना है, हम एक प्लास्टिक की शीट डालते हैं, बहुत पतली थिन फिल्म होती है, जिसे कि इस प्रक्रिया को हम मल्चिंग कहते हैं. तो उसको लगा देते हैं और फिर उसमें बीच बीच में कट करके पौधे को हम डाल देते हैं, तो जो निराई गुड़ाई आप जो कहते हो, घास जो है उसको निकालना है, उससे किसान बच जाता है। तो दिस PHB seed can be used in agriculture. In pharmaceutical industry, it is used as a capsule जिसमें विच कंटेन ड्रग्स, जो भी आप दवा है इसके अंदर भर दिया कैप्सूल में, तो कैप्सूल बनाने में इसका उपयोग करते हैं। जैसे कि PLA का इस्तेमाल किए तो इसका भी पिन बना सकते हैं, थ्रेड बना सकते हैं, स्टिचिंग के लिए थ्रेड बना सकते हैं, स्क्रू बना सकते हैं, प्लेट बना सकते हैं। सो दिस PHB is used in medical science also. So these are the one thing. This PHB can also be used in printing press. So PHB is also used in printing press. So these are the applications of the polyhydroxy butyrate. Now there is another biodegradable polymer. Third is PHBB, polyhydroxy butyrate. It is copolymer. All these were homopolymer, but this is the copolymer. So this polymer is prepared from monomer 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxyvaleric acid. So after copolymerization, you will get a polymer which is biodegradable. Just see how this can be synthesized or polymerized. So before PHBB, we discussed about only PHB, polyhydroxy butyrate. Now this is the 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. 3-hydroxy means 1, 2, 3 OH group third, therefore it is said as the 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is pentanoic acid, 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. After copolymerization, अलग अलग हैं इसलिए कोपॉलीमराइजेशन है, कंडेंसेशन होगा लेकिन पॉलीमर इज नोन एज कोपॉलीमर एंड देयरफॉर हियर रिटन CO means copolymer. So these two constituent monomers, they copolymerize together for this type of the polymer, and this polymer is known as PHB. So this is the polyhydroxy butyrate. This is the beta hydroxyvalerate. So in this way, this compound polymer is also biodegradable and it is used for making film packaging, used as capsule for enclosing drugs. Now one thing is very important. You have to understand the mechanism of biodegradation. So before we have already discussed about the different type of the biopolymer, biodegradable polymer like polylactic acid, like polyhydroxy butyrate and valerate also. Now, how degradation can take place? Already I told you about the degradation. So, degradation may be aerobic and anaerobic. So, here suppose the polymer and it is the air. So, oxidation of the polymer take place, and due to oxidation, carbon dioxide, water and biomass are formed. So, this is one type of the biodegradation. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेल्यूलोज, प्लांट के जो सेल्यूलोज हैं ये स्वतः डिग्रेड हो जाते हैं हवा से, टेम्परेचर से, मॉइस्चर से. तो दिस इज द एरोबिक डिग्रेडेशन. बट दिस इज anaerobic degradation in which either bacteria or fungi are used for the degradation, and product will be methane is the main product under this type of the biodegradation. Here no methane is formed, but in anaerobic biodegradation methane is formed along with the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide a bit less, about 60% of the methane is formed, only 20 to 25% of the carbon dioxide is formed. So in this way you can explain about the biodegradable polymers and what is the application of the biodegradable polymers and how biodegradation take place mechanism. Thank you.